This video will demonstrate how to use the Eko DUO with the iOS Eko mobile application. To begin, navigate to the App Store and search for the Eko Digital Stethoscope plus ECG. Continue by downloading the app. Open the Eko application and select for clinicians. Next, confirm that you are a registered medical provider. Enter your name and email to sign up. Navigate to your email and confirm the link in the welcome email. Open the app, create a password, as well as a login PIN. The PIN allows for a faster login experience. Turn on the Duo and select it from the pairing screen. To get a consistent reading, place the Duo directly on the skin and apply some pressure. Once you have a good reading, you're ready to create a recording. Press the blue button to initiate a recording. It will default to 15 seconds, which you can change in the settings. To add a position to your recording, scroll down and click Add Position. To add a note for future reference, click Add Note. Then click Save. You can save to an existing patient, or you can add it to a new patient by clicking the blue plus button. Enter the patient ID and an optional first and last name. Then click Done. All saved recordings for a patient will be listed under the profile here. To share a recording, click the I next to the name and scroll down to select Share. Add email, then click Done. To find the settings menu, navigate back to the home screen and tap the icon in the top left corner of the screen. Adjust the volume by toggling it up and down. You can also change these from the Eko DUO itself by clicking the center button 3 times in succession to move through the 4 filters. You can also adjust the recording length between 15 and 120 seconds. Play from iPhone allows you to hear your auscultation sounds in real time through your iPhone. Depending on your preference, you can toggle the main filters on your Duo between 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Quick Record allows you to start and stop recordings by double tapping the center button on the Eko DUO. You can also adjust the visualization to show only the PCG, ECG, or both. If you wish to flip the direction of the ECG, you can do so by toggling the Flip ECG button. Under Account, you can change your password as well as your login PIN. You can also update your login credentials, including your name. Thank you for watching this video, and please reach out to support@ekohealth.com with any questions.